everybody, and welcome back to our brand new Barre Express workout in which we're going to focus on our legs and glutes. But we will also include a little plank challenge to get those core muscles working as well. Don't worry if you can't be on your hands today or you got no space around you, I will also offer you a standing variation. Do a warm-up first. There's no equipment needed for this workout, and then let's jump straight into it. Alright team, so we're gonna open the feet more than shoulder width apart, turn the legs outwards so your toes are facing into the corners, then roll your shoulders back and down, release everything with your exhale, what you don't need anymore, and then bring your hands into your sides, and we're gonna start with bending and stretching your legs. Here we go, down and lift, down and lift. Stay upright, shoulders above your hips, push the knees to the side, and as you extend your legs, really focus on squeezing your glutes. Good job. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna shift the weight onto the right leg. Follow me. Point the left foot as you come up. Good. The crown of the head is pulling you up. It's helping you to grow. And when you got that, let's add the arms. Left arm up, right arm to the side. Good job. Now I need your core. So close your rib arches, draw the navel in towards the spine. When you got that, let's rotate to the right. Let's twist. Good. Move the torso to the right, flex the shoulders. Neck is super long. All right, core is active? Yes? All right, good job. Good work. Here, focus on the rotation. Look to the back. Find the activation in your obliques. We're gonna progress. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna lift the back leg up. It's a little back leg lift to get the glute max working here. Think more lengthen and height. And keep the abs working so you really get the power out of your glute and not your lower back. So keep the lower spine steady and calm. The supporting leg is slightly bent. All right, we're gonna combine both movements. Ready? Keep the toes on the ground, focus on the twist, and then lift the leg. Keep the toes on the ground, focus on the twist, and then lift the leg. Whenever you're ready, follow me for this little combination. So, movement one, twist. Movement two, lift the leg. Good. You got it? Good job. Half time is over. Give me 8 more here. Let's twist. Lift the leg. In the twist, keep the toes grounded. That's fine. Amazing. Woo. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Try to memorize this little sequence here. Last 2. Let the breath flow. All right, 4, 3, come back to center, pulse it out for 3, 2, reach up, extend, breathe, 3, 2, this is your standing variation, all right? If you don't have enough space around you to meet me in the plank, just keep going like this. 3 pulses. Press your little toe into the mat. This will prevent your knees from falling in. Amazing. Keep going like this. Just have a look what I'm doing here. So hands, jump back, jump forwards, and raise up. Good. Bring the shoulders above your wrists. Make yourself firm as a board. Follow me whenever you're ready. Down, plank. Find that strong plank. Push the floor away from you with your hands. And push out of your shoulders so don't collapse. 8 more rounds. Level 1 or level 2. It's up to you. Make the workout work for you. We're always meeting here in this position. And then you're gonna take it down into your palms or into your plank. All right, 3 more. Listen up, team. We're gonna combine everything from the very beginning. Slow it down. Hold it here. Now take it down. We're gonna shift and twist. We're gonna take it down, back leg lift. Woo. Level 1, pulse for 3, for 2, for 1, come back up. One more time like this slowly. Grand plie, twist, look to the back, rotating your spine. Come down, back leg lift. Pulse for 3. Tuck the tailbone under. The sitting bones are moving down. Level number 2, down and twist. Woo. Down, back leg lift. And level number 2, hands on the mat. Jump back, don't collapse. Jump forwards, lift. One more time slowly. In level number 2, twist. Relax the shoulders, long neck. Now, back leg lift, strong glutes. Down, hands on the mat. Jump back. You got this? Team, with the music, double time. Let's go. Down, twist. Back leg lift. Plank or pulse, you choose. Take what you need. Twist. Leg lift. Crack the nut with the butt cheeks. Woo! So much fun here. Let's flow. Leg lift. Ha. And reach up, grow. Back leg lift. Long leg. Half time is over. Let's go, team. Twist. Leg lift. Long leg. Up. Reach up. 3 more. Whew, out of breath here. That's good. The body's working. 2 more. Down. Twist. Leg lift. Plank. Or 3 pulses. Leg lift. 3 pulses or plank. Good job. Come back to center. We're gonna start everything from the very beginning. Take a moment to feel, to be proud. Halftime is over. Good job. Now let's progress. We're gonna shift our weight onto the other leg. It's the left. Try to calm your breath. Enjoy the energy that arises with the movements, with the flow. Good. Add the arms. Let's go. And lift. Right arm up, left arm to the side. Now I need your core again. Soften the lower rib towards your hip. Draw the navel in towards the spine. When you got that, we're gonna twist. Ha. Let's go and twist. Good. Look to the back. Relax the shoulders. So what does it mean to relax the shoulders? So give yourself a long neck and pull the shoulder blades into the lower back. Come all the way up and all the way down. Deepen the position. Good job. Keep flowing and lift the leg up. Here we go. Down and lift. Keep the supporting leg now slightly bent. Keep that activation. Ha. Muscle-mind connection. Think about that muscle which is working, and it's the glute max here. So crack that imaginary nut with your butt cheeks. Last 4, 3. Ready for the combination? Take it back to the twist. Keep the toes on the ground. Look back. Back leg lift. Hop. Look to the back. And back leg lift. So there's not a big difference here in these movements, but the focus, the aim is another. So as you twist, close your rib arches, find the activation in your obliques. As you lift your leg, focus on your glutes, all right? Yes? Feel the little difference here. Whew. Lift the leg, twist, lift the leg, follow the beat, follow the music. We'll guide you next to me. Last 4, 3, 2, hold it down for 3 pulses. 3, 2, and raise up. Good. Here, take your time to embrace your inner ballerina. elegant arm movements. Lift up, down, sink a little bit deeper into the strength of your quads here, your front thigh muscles. And of course, your glutes are also working as you extend the legs. This is a standing variation. You got it? All right, follow me for the plank challenge. Hands on the mat, jump back, jump forwards and reach up. Let's go. Don't sag, I show you the plank from the side. Don't do this here, all right? So we have hands, feet, jump, raise up. Let's go. Hup. So spread your fingers, strong base here, and press the fingertips firmly into the mat. Good. The closer you bring your feet together in your plank, the more challenging it will be. Sweat is coming. Let's go. Down. Last one. Let's bring all together. Slow it down. So bend the legs. Focus on your twist. Bend the legs, come back to center. Lift the leg. Squeeze the glute. 3 pulses for level number 1. And then raise up. Let's do this again. Push the knees to the side. Proper form here. Shift and twist. Take it down. Back, leg, lift, long leg. 3 pulses here. Good. Sitting bones facing down, long lumbar spine. Slowly, level 2. Twist. Look to the back. Woo. Sweat is running into my eye. Good job. 3. Hands on the floor. Jump back. Jump forwards. Raise up. One more time slowly like this. Knees to the side. Focus on the perfect alignment. What is your focus in the back leg lift? Squeeze the glute and the abs. Come down. Actively bend the elbows, don't hyperextend. Ready, double time, let's go. Down and twist. Back leg lift. Pulse or plank. You know what you do. Let's go. Down, twist, leg lift. Pulse or plank. Whole body is working, team. That feels good. Strong from the outside, strong from the inside. Raise up, down, and twist. Leg left. Pulse or plank. Yes, amazing. And 4 more to go. Let's rock it, team. Twist, look to the back. Leg lift. 3 more. Long and lean arms. Long leg, point your foot. Good, last 2. Enough. Woo. Here's your last round. Come on. Leg lift. Plank or pulse. And then stay upright, march and shake it out. Oh wow, amazing. This was short, right? If you're looking for longer series or full body workouts, then make sure to hop on over to my online studio over here, where you get, for example, live classes via Zoom and a weekly workout plan and much more. See you there.